Most of the day traders across the country are making this very common mistake, and they might have the most powerful trading setup, they might have very effective trading strategies in place, but when they enter into a day trade, your intraday trades, they actually suffer into losses. And it is actually because of this minor mistake, one of the most common mistakes that traders are making across the country right now. So let us discuss what this is so that we can turn it around into profitable trades here on. So in India, we have a 6.5 hour trading window from, we have a pre-market session from 9 to 9:15, and from 9:15 to 3:30, that is the trading window for the general public. So this 6 hour session is actually divided into three zones. So this is what I call zone trading, and this is very important. So listen to the end till the end of the video. So the 6 hour session is divided into three zones. The first zone is from around 9:15 to 11:30. That's the first zone. This is called the public zone. In this zone, in this 2 hour, 2.5 hour time frame, the public is participating. There has been news on the previous day in the evenings. So this is the time when people anticipate and they are reacting on that news. So everyone is jumping. This is the time when there is a lot of fear, there is a lot of greed, and there is actually no kind of a direction in this kind of market, in this 2 hour trading zone. This is what I call public trading zone, and the general public is participating here. Then we have the time zone from 11:30 to 1:30. So from 11:30 to 1:30, this is the zone number 2. This is actually the lunch break. This is the most common problem that all of us are making. During the lunch break from 11:30 to 1:30, market consolidates. Market moves in a sideways trend because everyone is taking a break, having their lunch. So this is the time when you should not trade, because if you trade in this time zone, you are actually getting stuck in consolidation. If you are doing options, your premium, when you buy your options, your premium is going to decay because the market is sideways. And even if your calls are right, you might actually get stuck for more than 2 hours, and then you question your ability as a trader. And then again after 1:30 till 3:30, that is your zone number 3. That is called the professional zone, because this is actually one of the most important trading sessions when the professionals actually take into consideration what is happening in the markets. They actually value the stocks right, and during this time the stock actually takes the right direction in the market. So there is the public zone from 9:15 to 11:30. A lot of public participation, too much volatile trading here. Then we have the 11:30 to 1:30 zone number 2, called the lunch break. And then this is a consolidation zone. And then we have 1:30 to 3:30, which is the professional zone, when your stock, whatever index you are dealing in, will take the right direction, because the people, the professionals sitting on the street, Dalal Street, they will actually value the stock perfectly, and the market will always close at the right price. Market may not open at the right price, but it always closes at the right price. So what am I trying to say with all of this setup? So what I'm trying to say is that we should trade either in zone number 1 or zone number 3, because in zone number 1 we will get a lot of volatility, so we can take advantage of this volatility to trade the breakouts. So we had a big move over here, we had a big move over here. So this is the time for options, for trading breakouts. So you can use your support resistance patterns like flags, wedges, pennants, and trade this time zone. The same is the case for 1:30 to 3:30 time zone. This is the time zone for your BTST trades, buy today, sell tomorrow, and you can use your the chart patterns that we are talking about and trade these breakouts, because you will have a high volatility. What I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to imply is that do not trade in zone number 2. You will be stuck in a consolidation range. Let's have a look at some of the other charts. This is the charts of ICICI Bank. So we can see when the market opens in the public zone, we have a good downtrend. We can get good profit in this zone. And once your 11:30 kicks in, we have a flat sideways market. Avoid this market, you will get stuck. And then again after 11, after your 130, again another breakout happens. So we'll be trading in zone number 3 and zone number 1. Let's have a look at another example, HDFC Bank. We can see this is May 11th market, the current today's market. And from 9:15, we have a good downtrend in the market, good for breakouts. Zone 3, again good for breakouts, but 11:30, 1:30 again consolidates. And lastly, let's look at the Asian Paints. This is the same example. Market is in a downtrend, good volatility. We can trade the breakouts. Sideways trend in zone number 2, zone number 3, again a volatile market. So that's what my suggestion to you is. If you are not able to make good profits, you should try to incorporate this in your setup. Avoid trade zone number 2 and trade only in zone 1 and zone 3. If you have any doubts, leave us a message or you can reach us on Instagram. I hope you have a good day and have a good trading week.